Hi and welcome back to the DBI review, and today my package just arrived and I have the new Sumo Grip Erasers and I'll be showing how they work. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, and the erasers even come in plastic, so just in case, you know, it's always a good thing. All right, let's take this out. Let's see, how do we open them? Oh, okay. Kind of got to tear it apart. There, we got that first tear, and there.
So what's your first impression?
Well, it says, or basically, it's very rubbery, honestly. So I'm sure it's very flimsy, but that's a good thing. So that way when you're erasing, it will kind of bend back and get all that lead, the extra lead that you might have needed to collect. And it's very rubbery, so I think it will work kind of good. So here, let's just go like this. Oh, and you can also search up Sakura SumoGrip Erasers, and there's more videos of that. There is a YouTube channel also called Sakura SumoGrip, and where they just sell these erasers, and they have more products too. They have like basically pencils, like electric ones where you literally just pressing a button and it just spins the eraser. All right, well, let's try it out. Let's see. Yeah, and I noticed it collects in these very nice little balls of the eraser, so that way it's not a huge mess to clean up after yourself. Here. And let's see. All right, now. All right, and see, it didn't make much of a mess. So it's easy to clean up. Just tap it down, and we'll just pretend this is the garbage, okay? For now, I'll just toss it in this little wrapper so I don't make a huge mess. There we go. And then, now let's just wipe it off. See, I barely use any of the eraser too. And the nice thing about it is it's very durable, and you do have to push down just a little hard because, see, otherwise it doesn't go away very well. Like here, I just kind of sped it up by pausing the video and just going ahead. So now let me see if I push a little harder. Let's see if I can get rid of these really hard marks. Oh wow, it's like almost invisible. Look at that. If you're watching this video right now, if you're a parent or a student or whatever, or if you have school, I really recommend these erasers. Even maybe if you work at some sort of job where you have to do a whole ton of writing, I recommend these Sakura SumoGrip Erasers. Well, if you like this video and you want to try this out, I'll have the link in the descriptions. And, well, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.